am on the scene of my family's property in rural Alabama. It is a very peaceful place, somewhere I grew up, and where I learned to really enjoy nature and get away from it all. I love this place. Maybe not the experiences I had all the time, but what they represented for me was a chance to get away, renew, and restore myself and discover who I am once again. Because sometimes city life can make you forget. And so I'm out here. It's really hot. so, but it doesn't matter because there's peace here. If you listen, you can hear the insects singing their song and communicating with one another. Communing with nature is a really important part of life. We were born for this. It was created for us. And if you're not able to escape, get away, the pressures and stress of the world builds up on you and you feel trapped. You feel there's no real way to find yourself and who you are as a person and what you're here on this planet for. Being out here really helps me to remember and gives me a sense of who I am. Even though I was born and raised in the city, my family moved to the country when I was 12 years old. And it was culture shock for sure, but I learned to enjoy long walks, the quietness of a starry night, and the roar of a thunder storm on a tin roof. It was fantastic. It was amazing. I couldn't appreciate it then, like I said, but I certainly appreciate it now, and I am looking forward to experiencing this again because my dream, my goal, my big audacious plan is to buy land of my own and create a retreat for women to just get away and to write, do nothing, be irresponsible, as it were, because too often we're taking on the weight of the world, whether it's with our children or our job or our parents or our siblings or whatever it is, our businesses. We have to take time to get away. We have to take time to recharge, and we have to take time to really reconnect with ourselves because that's the best way to, in this journey of evolving and becoming and really feeling connected to something, to the world, and not just be a human doing, but a human being. So I invite you to continue to watch as I build this special place for women, and especially women of color, Black women specifically, who have no place to go to get away from it all. And yeah, I think it's going to be a really good experience. And it's not going to be in some exotic location. It's really going to be in the United States. It's going to be a place where you could probably do a day's drive or less and really get off the grid, disconnect, and to reconnect. That's what it's all about. So I'm going to give you a little view of this place and what it is, what it's meant to me. And I hope that you find just a little bit of peace just in looking at the scenery and beauty as the world turns. Really rural, lots of greens, lots of trees, clouds, blue skies, insects that sing their song, and hopefully you'll find it too. All right, take care. This is Samantha Gregory with SamanthaGregory.com, richsinglemama.com, and I'm just someone who really wants to help you get back to who you are. Take care. Be well.